Getting a login or password is invalid error on Discord? Let's quickly see how you can fix this. For that, first you have to open up your Discord app and try logging in. If you keep getting the invalid login message, it usually means either your email or password isn't right. So double check and make sure you are typing in the correct email link to your account. If you can't remember your correct password, just select forgot your password, and here you will find Discord will send a reset link to your email. Now head over to your inbox, open that email, and click on reset password. From here, type in a new password. Make sure it's strong and confirm it. After that, go back to the Discord login screen and the new password you just set. And finally, you can see you should be all set. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.